been using the Power Nester from WiCAM for about 5 months now, and at the beginning, for example, we had a project for a customer with 15mm steel sheets without bending components. These were milled in our machining center after the laser cutting process, and we were already able to reduce the number of large format panels from 5 to 4. You would definitely be mad to not invest because it really pays for itself, and the material savings are definitely there. When starting the process, I can give the Power Nester a certain amount of time or a time window, which it uses to analyze and to play through different variants. The Power Nester then is able to provide the best possible result for an efficient production process. We've been a WiCAM customer since 2022, and we have a very heterogeneous machine park. We laser, for example, with a Bystronic and punch with a Trumpf machine. That's why the topic of free programming software with selectable post-processors was fundamentally important to us. And then we came across the Power Nester from WiCAM, which immediately appealed to us because with one installation of the Power Nester, the software was ready for use, and a saving of between 5 and 10% is realistic in any case. You absolutely have to work with it.